we are going to go through the Steel Mace Hook. Now, similar to boxing, we are after a hook style punch. Now, what I see a lot of people in classes doing is more of a slap. So we really want to focus on keeping the elbow up. So a lot of people, they take this chest rack position and they come round and they more slap. What we want to do is, like a boxer, get the weight going through the wrist, so all the weight from the elbow behind the wrist, and punch through. So for this, starting with the mace at chest height, you can do this with the tail end, although I prefer more as a standard to go for the head end of the mace. Elbows up horizontal with the floor, and we use the torso, so the arms are kind of locked in place. It's the torso, much like boxing, that has to generate the power and twist round. Now, for what we want to do, we want to go almost a full 90 degrees. So if I go this way for you, rather than just going to here, what we want to do is lift the back heel up and allow it to twist and push with the foot, and that will allow you to get all the way around to the side. And of course, you can do this on the other side as well. So elbows up, use the torso to generate momentum, push off the back foot to come all the way full 90 degrees. And for a little bit of continuity, you can come back, drop the tail end to do a switch with both knuckles towards you or both palms out, allow the momentum to come up, catch the tail in an inward thumb grip, and go again on the other side. And you'll get a nice little rhythm, and be good little exercise, and always breathe out on the punch.